2000 Camaro SS, 24,000 miles. This is going to be a little comical thing for you all to follow along as I destroy my knuckles trying to get these headers off. First things first. Number one, most important tool to any job, Labatt Blue.
Just don't like you, not a thing about the way you is.
This is day two. We got the driver's side bolts off. Super simple, not a big deal. Nothing was stuck. Mainly because everything's relatively new. And we're gonna keep chugging along here. Okay, so didn't film a lot. Things got a little serious. Few things, specifically with the speed engineering kit, you definitely have to. The headers don't just go right up in. There's a little nub hanging off of the block on the driver's side that you gotta, make a little clearance on that, and the driver's side will then go right up. That was kind of the most invasive thing I had to do to removing anything. If you're watching this and considering doing it, you're definitely going to need some time to kind of just digest it all. But if you were to do this start to finish, I would say you definitely could kind of, in a Saturday, you can get it to where your manifolds are off and you're getting the headers up through, and then that Sunday you could probably finish the Y pipe, the exhaust, and then put all the crap back together. Leave the back bolts out of your coil packs. You don't need 30,000 bolts to hold a coil pack bracket on. Throttle cable, just unbolt it and put it on the driver's side, because you're going to need all that crap out of your way. Kind of midway through here, it's got the center exit exhaust with MagnaFlow. The SLP stuff didn't start till 01, so she's going to be long tube headers into the MagnaFlow. She's going to be clean breathing. So, all right, I'm going to get back to it. just to wrap this video up, I didn't really do the best job of videotaping really anything under the car, and that was because it was sort of like a mad dash to get everything tied up and together. The car's got a couple miles on it. Headers are getting nice and colorful. Again, there's something that was right there, stuff that used to sit back here that isn't there. Fell off. Like clearance wise, a lot of people are like, oh, you know, shorties are better because you don't have clearance issues. I measured from the bottom of the stock Y pipe to the ground, and I have more clearance now than what I had before with that low sandwiched pipe, and I'll show you the clearance. So from here to there is actually more room than what the stock clearance was. I really have nothing but good things to say about the Speed Engineering kit. Everything fit real good. Nothing was a problem with the headers, the Y pipe, everything slipped right in. I didn't have to cut anything. The factory Y connection is spot welded and dimpled. I had to grind that out with a Dremel to get the Speed Engineering Y to fit in there. But besides that, that's pretty much the only thing I had to do. So definitely recommend, if you're thinking about it, buying the kit, you'll save, you know, a couple $100 when it comes to if you go to Texas Speed or BBK or something like that, you're going to be spending a ton of money. Let me show you into the time capsule that is of this car. This thing is spotless besides the floor mats. I gotta clean them, but this girl is 24,000 miles, and she is just beautiful. It's not every day that you see a clean FBody. Don't know what I'm going to be doing next because the car is nice. I'm not going to touch it this spring and summer. I'm going to just kind of cruise it the way it is and enjoy it. The car is super dirty. I don't know if you can tell by that. I'm going to do a paint correction on it. There's not really, it's not bad honestly, but it does have a little bit of, it has a little bit of swirls in it, but nothing too bad at all. Going to be doing that in the spring here, and then it'll be ready for cruising around with the boys. But I have to do a window sag mod going on here. The window doesn't quite go as far as it should be, so if there is rain or something like that, this should be up smooth to there. It would get water leaking in through there. The T-tops don't leak. The window doesn't really leak when you're washing it, but rain, for sure, it would get in there. So I have to come in here, take the door card out, and then I have plates to go on the motor to hold it in place. But maybe I'll videotape that, and hopefully I don't destroy the door doing that. The MagnaFlows are quiet, so I have a little bit of another mod coming for that. Got some SLP loudmouths. I'm going to be taking the exhaust back apart, cutting it off, and TIG welding some V-band clamps on the exhaust, various spots to make it easier to come off, and then installing the SLP loudmouth to truly be 2,000 caliber Camaro. After all, you gotta have the SLP plate if you own a 4th gen FBody. But yeah, that'll do it for this one. I will see you on the next one.